Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to create public Snapchat stories. If you want to create a public Snapchat story, then first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Now go ahead and tap on your profile picture from your camera icon at the top left corner. Now this will take you to your profile. From your profile, go ahead and find the button that says add to my story where it says public and tap on that. You will then end up in your camera roll from where you can go ahead and select a picture or a media that you would like to share on your public story. Select the media and you will end up in this story section. Now, go ahead and edit your story, add filters and more. Add other options such as stickers, text, and so on. And after you are done, tap on the My Story button at the bottom right corner and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add a public story. Now if you go back to your profile section, you will be able to see your public story displayed right here. Creating a public Snapchat stories is a great way to share your moments with a wider audience beyond just your friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.